In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay for your Shopify plan using a debit card. This step-by-step guide will help you update your subscription payment quickly and easily so you can keep your store running smoothly. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can manage your store details, billing information, and subscription options. Next, click on Plan. Inside the Plan section, you'll see details about your current Shopify subscription and available upgrade options. Now, click on Choose Plan if you want to select a new subscription plan or continue with your current one. Shopify will display different pricing plans with their features and monthly costs. Choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Then click Select Shopify to continue. You may now be asked to confirm your plan selection before moving to the payment section. Next, enter your debit card information carefully, including the card number, expiration date, cardholder name, and security code. Make sure all the payment details are correct to avoid any transaction errors. After reviewing everything, click Subscribe to complete the payment process. Shopify will now process your debit card payment and activate or update your subscription plan. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message showing that your Shopify plan has been updated successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pay for your Shopify plan with a debit card. Thanks for watching and goodbye.